Get your kidneys back in 7 days with 1 cup every morning. Imagine this. Just 1 cup every morning could restore your kidneys in as little as 7 days. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. Whether you're dealing with sluggish kidneys, early signs of kidney trouble, or you simply want to boost your health, we've got the ultimate kidney-saving solution for you. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll learn about an incredible natural remedy that could transform your kidney health, and a bonus tip that you don't want to miss. Why your kidneys are vital. Your kidneys are small but mighty organs. They filter over 50 gallons of blood every day, flush out toxins, balance fluids, and even regulate blood pressure. But poor diet, dehydration, and stress can overwork your kidneys, leading to dangerous conditions like kidney stones or chronic kidney disease. The good news? There's a natural remedy that may help reset and rejuvenate your kidneys, and it's as simple as starting your day with 1 powerful drink. What's the secret ingredient? So, what is this magical drink? It's a special combination of natural ingredients that are scientifically proven to support kidney health. The key components include 1. Lemon juice. Packed with citric acid, it prevents kidney stones and detoxifies your body. 2. Parsley tea, a natural diuretic that helps flush out toxins. 3. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, it improves kidney function and supports overall detox. 4. Cucumber water, hydrates and helps cleanse your kidneys. When combined, these ingredients create a powerhouse drink that you can easily make at home. The recipe: kidney-boosting morning drink. Here's how to prepare this miracle cup. Ingredients: 1 fresh lemon, juiced. 2 cups of water. A handful of parsley leaves. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. 4 to 5 cucumber slices. Instructions: 1. Boil the water and pour it over the parsley leaves and grated ginger. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then strain. 3. Add the cucumber slices and lemon juice. 4. Stir well and drink it every morning on an empty stomach. This drink not only supports your kidneys, but also boosts your overall energy and hydration levels. How does it work? 1. Flushes out toxins. The combination of parsley and cucumber acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and helping your kidneys eliminate waste. 2. Prevents kidney stones. Lemon juice's citric acid dissolves calcium buildup, reducing the risk of stones. 3. Reduces inflammation. Ginger and parsley combat inflammation, a key factor in kidney disease. 4. Improves hydration. Proper hydration is critical for kidney function, and this drink delivers essential fluids and electrolytes. Foods that help heal your kidneys. Pairing this drink with kidney-friendly foods can accelerate your results. Include these in your diet. 1. Berries. Blueberries and cranberries are packed with antioxidants that fight kidney damage. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale provide essential vitamins and minerals. 3. Sweet potatoes. Loaded with potassium, they help balance sodium levels and reduce kidney strain. 4. Garlic. Reduces inflammation and lowers blood pressure, both critical for kidney health. 5. Apples. High in fiber. They improve digestion and reduce the load on your kidneys. Signs. Your kidneys need help. Not sure if your kidneys are in trouble? Watch out for these warning signs. Frequent fatigue or low energy. Swelling in your hands, feet, or face. Difficulty concentrating. Pain in the lower back or sides. Changes in urination patterns. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's time to take action before it's too late. Bonus tip: stress. Less for better kidneys. Did you know that chronic stress can harm your kidneys? Elevated stress hormones increase blood pressure, putting extra strain on these vital organs. Incorporating mindfulness techniques like meditation or yoga into your daily routine can significantly improve your kidney health over time. The connection between sleep and kidney health. Did you know that your kidneys also depend on your sleep quality? While you sleep, your body undergoes critical repair processes, including detoxifying and filtering waste through your kidneys. Poor sleep patterns or sleep deprivation can disrupt this process, leading to imbalances in fluid retention and even raising your risk of kidney disease. Pair your morning kidney boosting drink with a solid 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Consider creating a calming bedtime routine. Turn off screens, drink herbal teas like chamomile, and practice mindfulness to give your kidneys the recovery time they need. Stay hydrated the right way. We've all heard how important hydration is for kidney health, but it's not just about drinking any liquid. It's about drinking the right liquids in the right amounts. Sugary sodas and energy drinks can harm your kidneys over time due to their high levels of phosphates and artificial additives. Instead, focus on clean, natural beverages like water, herbal teas, and infusions like the kidney-boosting drink we shared earlier. Spread your fluid intake throughout the day to maintain steady hydration, and remember, when you stay hydrated, your kidneys can work efficiently to filter toxins and keep you feeling your best. Consistency is key. Small steps, big results. The most important takeaway? Consistency. While 1 cup of this drink can make a difference, it's the daily habit of nourishing your kidneys that leads to long-term results. Pair your morning drink with kidney-friendly foods and avoid harmful substances like excessive salt, alcohol, and processed foods. Make small, manageable changes to your daily routine, and over time, you'll see big improvements in your energy levels, overall health, and kidney function. The journey to better kidney health starts with one simple step, and you've already taken it by learning about this amazing remedy. The power of stress management for kidney health. Here's something most people overlook. Stress can take a serious toll on your kidneys. Chronic stress releases hormones like cortisol, which can lead to high blood pressure and negatively impact kidney function over time. To protect your kidneys, incorporate stress-reducing practices into your daily routine. Try meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or even a brisk walk in nature. These simple activities not only improve mental health, but also enhance blood circulation and reduce the strain on your kidneys. Combine this with your morning kidney-boosting drink, and you're giving your body a double dose of healing power. Real-life success stories. People who've tried this drink have reported incredible benefits. My swelling disappeared in just a week. I no longer wake up feeling tired, and my doctor said my kidney function has improved. I've been drinking this for a month, and my kidney stones are gone without surgery. Conclusion: a healthier you in just 7 days. One simple drink, 1 week, and the potential to transform your kidney health. What are you waiting for? Your kidneys work tirelessly for you, so it's time to return the favor. With this easy-to-make remedy, a healthy diet, and some lifestyle tweaks, you can give your kidneys the care they deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Hit that subscribe button for more life-changing health tips, and let us know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe. Let's work together to prioritize our health, one day at a time.